Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Yeah, no, I had my mic muted for a reason. I was waiting for people to hop in. Hello, Philippers. Good to see you back. Hopefully you'll stick around for more than 5 minutes tonight. No, you said you had a reason. I can't remember what it was, though. This is fake backrooms. Do you mean shorts? If so, check the wiki. I'm pretty sure Level Fun Plus exists on the wiki, so... So, tonight, we have a few things to do. We need to first... I need to make a gun for a commission, and then after that, it will be getting straight on with Death Destroying Simulator. Let me hop in, and I will get to work on this gun. This one might take about an hour, maybe. But really, I need to make sure I get this script down, because I'm going to be making gun stuff in the future. Let's just pick a gun model. Let's go with a rifle. Let's go with a rifle. AR. I'll just put AR and see what comes up. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. Oh wait, no, here we go. What the hell? What a bunch of shit. This is awful. Look, oh my god. I just want to see, how does that work in, if I put that in there, it's going to be shit. They'll probably give me a virus. How good's your operating AR then? That's awesome. That is a great AR. That's an amazing gun. New game? No, I just need to do a commission real quick on stream. Someone couldn't be bothered to finish the script on that AR, but let's find a good model and then we'll go from there. In fact, let's just take their model and then use it for ourselves. Why not? So this is going to be a R6 and R15. I'm going to make sure it works for both. Let's go with that. Where's the handle? It doesn't have a handle. That would be why I couldn't pick it up, you fucking idiots. Or maybe they're using a custom welding system. Yeah, it's littered with bugs. I mean, yeah, unknown globals here and there. Okay. Events. Oh shit, there's a lot in here. Well, I don't need any of this. We need just the model, really, and I'll go from there. There's no handle. I think I'll just, what is this part here? That's a union. Oh, great. Okay, I'll make a mini handle then, and then just place it over the top. That's alright, Philippers. It's fine. I was only ticking the mic earlier. Thank you for the 10. That's another generous donation from Philippers. He's been keeping us well funded, he has. Road to the Gamerooms is just running on only Philippers donations. I think this shouldn't... No, that could impact how it holds the gun. We'll do it like that. Okay, and we'll call that handle. Oh, we can't anchor it, of course. Can't do that. At the moment, is it just going to fall to bits? No. I think it's probably got welds in it then. Could use some of those. I don't know how it's staying together. It's not welded. Some of it is, I think, but not all of it. These unions have no... they've got no children. We just expand all. Nope, nothing. They have literally no way of holding... I don't know how they're holding together then. What is this over here as well? I can't select it. I don't know what it is. Fire part? Nope. No clue. Oh my god. I mean, it could be because they're all anchored, actually. Maybe I'm not thinking this through. What game type are you making? I'm doing a commission. So, I'm not actually making a game at the moment. But I will be. Where's that handle gone? I think it's fallen through the map. That's what's happened. Yeah, it's fallen through the map. Okay. So I disabled can collide. I'll add a weld to just the handle then. I don't know how the rest of it is it anchored? Is this all anchored? No, it's not. I don't know how the hell it's... Wait, no, that's... Okay, maybe it is anchored then. That's not anchored. And that's because it's got a joint in it. Okay, let's find these unions then. Okay, they're all anchored, that's why. So if I unanchor everything, I reckon it's all going to fall to bits. Or fall through the map as well. I think they're all can collide true. How do I turn that off?
Roger, 0J, and I feel fine. Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Can collide true, and then it'll probably all fall to bits. Which suggests we need weld constraints. Yeah, there we go. So it's fallen to bits, apart from the bits that have strong joints. I don't know what those are, but I assume they function in a similar way. So we'll throw in the local script and the script. We're going to need to weld them first. Primary part, let's make that the handle. So, yeah. My fucking hands are so cold. I need to go like rinse them or something in the tap real quick. 'Cause they are so cold. It's so hard to type at the moment. Probably as requires handle on false. Yeah, it does. Need that true. think that's actually exactly what I need. Once it does its job. Seems to be working. All good. Okay. Right. Now we need to get stuff going. So, script.parent.equipped. Connect function. Don't need any parameters. And then we'll probably go for unequipped. Activated. So equipped, we need to force. We should probably toggle first person. We should also probably, you know, get all the parameters out of the way. So. In fact, we should get players in there as well. I can't remember if you can leave it like that because that's an event. I think that'll work. Hello, cool gaming siblings. How you doing? Is the stream quality good? I hope it is. I'm not really viewing it on my end because it will take up bandwidth. Because last time we had a really bad connection problem. So we're going to need, what's it called? Either Raycasts or the mouse. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to have to fucking warm my hands up at some point because they're freezing. It's so cold outside at the moment. Takes long just to code. Yeah, when your hands are freezing. I'd have done this like 20 seconds ago if it weren't for the hands. So for the toggle cam, humanoid dot, I think it's camera. Hold on, let me just create a humanoid. There's a ragdoll state. I didn't know that. There's a lot of weird stuff in humanoid, actually. Camera offset. Camera mode. I think there's a camera mode. Nope. Hold on. Camera mode, humanoid. Oh, it's player. It's not camera, it's player. Yeah, there we go. Right, I'll test that and see what happens. Because I think you use the humanoid for... Is it player dot minimum? Yeah, camera minimum, yeah. And that's set to 0 by default, so camera max equals 0. That's a number, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to run this for now. It's not even in the player's inventory. I need to turn this off as well. I don't know why it keeps giving me my own gear. Probably an error. Yeah, I can't find the character. I think that's probably the best way to do things, to get the humanoid. There we go. Perfect, okay. So it locks the first person. I think the best way to do things is we have a flag. We use true for first person is enabled and false for not. So false is default. If camera mode, then we'll create another one to get the default settings. And then otherwise, which means that it is toggling it for the first time. Hello, you cheated. Welcome back. Halo VR. This is not a game I'm making. I'm doing a commission. Okay, that seems to be working now. I think. So after I finish this commission, I might get a snack and then I'll get on with Death Destroying Simulator. That is not working. Some part of that gun is moving the player's character, so it's not fully can collide false. Oh, no, I think I turned all of that off, didn't I? Where's can collide? There we go. I'll just put it in the player's thingy. Where is it? Doesn't need to be outside of it at the moment. I'm gonna fucking ban this guy. So why is that not working? I'll put print statements first. Oh, it's because he's not toggling. And I've done it wrong again. I didn't... doesn't need to be there, it needs to be here. No, it needs to be after all of them. There we go. So it forces first person, and then you can scroll out again. It doesn't immediately set the camera, but we can manage that. So that toggles the camera. So we probably want it to play an animation. So let's create an animation. Okay. Probably equip gun R6. And then equip gun R15. I'm going above and beyond here for this guy. Pay me only. And then unequip gun. Right, so those are the animations done. How am I doing today? Good, Jacob Dubicki. I don't know how I'm supposed to say that. So there is actually a Backrooms short animation in the works. It's probably going to be done in the next day or so, and you'll see it. It's quite good actually. I'll see if you guys like it. If you do, then I'll make more. It's entirely done in Roblox. So I'm thinking, the player's going to shoot their gun, and it can do one of two things. It can either shoot a projectile, and if it hits it, then damage. Or it can use mouse.hit instead. Let me just read what he asked for first. Lots of animations to be making. You can have mod if you stop saying my fucking name, yeah. Let me just have a look at the actual stream chat. Okay. So it's kind of difficult as to how we're going to manage the gun. And I think most games do raycasts, but I think I'm probably going to go with mouse.hit. And then use a... Oh, no, we could though. It's raycasts. Right, we've got raycasts. to target with slight delay, or what's it called? Mouse dot hit with slight delay using get parts in bounds. I could use either one. And I'm torn as to which one to use. I can honestly make either one. And on top of them, we want a bullet. Do we though? I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, I'll do it. I might have a section that turns on and off the bullets, so you can choose each one. And bullets, they have to 100% have to be local side. No way would that be a server side thing. So, and then again, at that point, just have a muzzle flash. And the muzzle flash won't even replicate. Oh, for fuck's sake. Hello, Rachel. Oh god, I keep fucking up his name. I'm gonna assume that's like Rachel or Rachel Pino. Creative guy 09, how you doing? Okay, I think I'm gonna start with raycasts. So let me get my script out. Do I have that? I think I have a script for that, but let's check. No, I don't actually. I don't have a script for that. So I might have to open that up in a separate window, because I have a gun that I can use. I think. No, I'll just do Raycast basics and go from there. So we're not going to use mouse.hit. How do I do Raycast again? This freaking guy. Right. Basics of Raycasting. Is workspace Raycast. Ray origin and ray direction. Is the ray direction a position or an angle? It says direction. Is it the direction that it's facing? I'm confused. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. Player.character. Probably go with character, actually. In fact, I'll just go with, I'll just go use root part that way. Wonders of tuples, guys. Hello. Oh god, I can't even attempt to spell that name. Yes, it is good to see me back. Isn't it magnitude though? Direction. I don't understand how that works, but okay. If you have 2 points and you take one away from the other, how does that give you a... Am I dumb? Destination could be the mouse.hit. Yeah, mouse.hit is the target. Okay, yeah, you can do a mix of both, can't we? Let's create some variables that we can customize. I say we go with if it's an AR, we probably want about 4 bullets a second. No, how much do bullets in an average AR fire? It's like it's like 3. No, that's really slow. 4. We'll go with 4. Does 1 every 0.25 seconds. No, what am I doing? What do you mean, I think it will upload in 1 week or days? Do you mean the game that I'm making or the animation I'm making? The animation, like the next day. Maybe even after the stream. The game I'm working on, definitely not. This isn't even a game, it's a commission for a gun. Do the basic total ammo. Was there how many magazines to go? I'm just gonna go like 150. The game, the Death Destroying Simulator won't be finished for months. Probably about 2 months. This thing I'm doing right now is not a game. It's just a commission for a gun that I wanted to have a go at. Because why not? And plus I need a solid amount of experience with Raycasts, and I still don't have that. So... I mean, I would use magnitude, but whatever. I don't understand. I mean, no, that's the length of the distance, and not the direction. Does it find the orientation of a position? Oh, I don't fucking know. Weird shit. I think we should probably throw in some raycast parameters as well, just to be safe. So, can I go params dot filter descent? Yeah, objects whose descendants are used in filtering raycast candidates. I don't think we need to. If it's a player, it's a player. If it's not, it's not. I don't think we need parameters. I don't see why that's necessary. I understand it would be necessary in some cases, but not this one. It's just firing a bullet. If it hits a player, it does. Unless we're doing stuff like wall banging, where you can have a sniper that can go through a meter's worth of brick. That makes sense. I'd need raycast parameters for that. But not for a basic gun that can't, I'd assume can't like penetrate anything. At least by default. And after that, the developer of the game that using the gun would have to figure out which objects, because I can't add them. There's no way I can tell. So. Distance, instance, any, material, and 2 more. Oh, that's really helpful. Let me have a look on the wiki. The base part or terrain cell that the ray intersected. Position of the intersection between the ray and the instant. Ah, I see. I could just call it a day there and say, if it's a player, do damage. If it's not, don't. Or I could give it like a little bit of lag, because there won't be any, because this is all done locally. I'll do one way and then the other, and then figure out which one's better. And we can always test by disabling the humanoid check. Right, okay. If target, can I get type? Is a, no. Dot name. Right, how do I get the class? Get class of instance Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna have to go and like warm up my hands because they're freezing now. In a sec. Get full name. How on earth do you find the class? Is it just .class name? I believe it might be class name. Yeah, it says class name. Okay, fine. Right, I'm going to assume that from there it's a player and we're going to do damage because we need to test it on humanoids. So, let me get a rig. R6. And there we go. We're going to do damage to this guy. We'll need a remote event to damage the player, so let's create one of them. Why don't we even throw in a little anti-cheat? Why not? Probably going to have to use serialization here, but that's all right. I'm going to assume it passes the character. To be fair, it's already checked if it's got a humanoid, so if it breaks, it breaks. We'll go with like 30. We can always add a little bit of... what do you mean now I understand? I'm not animating anything here, I'm just programming. And we're going to give it the... no, it's going to return target.parent. No, I know what I've done. I'm silly. We don't do that. We do that. All good. So if it's a humanoid, then it will attempt to damage said humanoid and pass the target.parent. I think that will come up as nil, so I'm going to test it first. If it's nil, then I'll have to do a bit of serialization, which requires using either its name or the player that holds the character, which is what we do in the end. But for a character humanoid that isn't a player, it would have to be the name. I just call it like Rig or something. We're going to move that down there. So that's for aiming down sights. Runs detect player. There we go. Where does it go from there then? Just... okay, I think we can test it now.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
What we broken? Got nil, 56. Mouse dot hit return nil then, didn't it? That can't be right. I think we'll do if not destination, then return. Which I think is probably just going to end up with it freezing. And, well, not freezing, just doing nothing. No, it's stuck again on 59. So we concluded that destination was not nil. Oh wait, it's because root part. We can't find root part. Okay, that's fine. I think it's because I didn't do position. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I don't think we can do that. I think it's character appearance added. Nope, still not working. How else can we get it? Creates a new character. Okay, that's fine. Distance from character. That's the same as the last one, isn't it? Let's have a look, see if it changes. Hello, Lino's air fryer. How you doing? Nope. Why is that broken then? How else can we get the humanoid? Let me just test that it's actually, you know, triggering. Yeah, that's not triggering, okay. I thought it might be a problem with the way I was returning it, but nope, there's nothing wrong here. It's just not running, is it? Well, I mean, I guess I'll just use, if root part exists, then use it. So where's that detect player? There are some other methods people have been using, but I'm going to leave it there. (62). What's gone wrong on 62? Coordinate frame to vector 3. That's because we need hit dot position. France is not crashing, so is it receiving it? That's the question. I reckon it's not getting a Raycast result. Yeah, it's not getting a result. Alright, that's fine. We can work that through. Let me try on a base part. This could be because it's a model. I doubt, but it's always worth trying. Yeah, that's not getting anything, is it? Why is that then? Probably because of the Raycast parameter, I expect. does say it's optional though. Interesting. Is it because I'm in first person? Why don't I try operating AR? Is it fire part? That's it. Try that. So I'm clicking right now and it's getting a result of some kind, I assume. Oh, so that's returning a rig. Okay. But that's returning nothing. That's interesting. Why is it doing that? Sometimes it's returning a rig and other times it's not. And I set it to print what? Instance dot what? Target dot parent. So it's getting. Oh Christ! And looks like someone's had this exact issue 2 years ago, so let's figure out what's going on. Okay. I have an answer here. And then the length of, the length is, let's get that there. I think if I have my position here and my position there, then the distance between the two is that minus that. I think. I don't know if I'm being stupid. Am I being dumb, chat? Am I being dumb? I'm gonna have to get like paint out and figure this out. Yeah, so if I have a... Hold on, I'm actually gonna get paint out just so I can like visualize. If I have a coordinate at 1, 3, 2, and I have another one at 0, 1, 1, then that minus that is the distance between the two. Well, it's not the distance, it's the vector. Hello, Axolotl Pro. Oh, I think I might know what to do. Let me try this. I might just be shit at maths. That's literally, that is a perfectly okay conclusion to come to here. No, but that doesn't do anything. That just just undermines length. I'm just going around in circles. Maybe length is the range, and if it hits anything on the way, if I go 500, in fact, we'll go range. It's like the range of the weapon, I guess. Try that. There we go. That is more like it. Although that's not picking it up. But the rig is getting picked up every time now, I think. Yeah. Oh, because the parent of the part is workspace. That would make sense. Can you even print workspace? Clearly not. I'm going to assume that it's a character. I will do the player stuff now. This isn't a game, not so Nate. This is a commission I'm doing for a weapon. And also to get to grips with raycasts, which I'm starting to understand now. So let's assume it's found the player's character, because I'll do player stuff in a minute. Nope. Weird. It's not getting it from the back. Oh no, it is. Let me spawn a shit ton of them. It seems to be working. I'll do some more testing, but... Okay, get rid of that. Right, we'll do ADS now. This is all about animations at this point. So, we don't want the animation to play when the player equips the weapon. By default, it's going to hold it in the right hand, so we want... Let's get to the... Where's the tool? Requires handle. That should disable its handle animation. Oh, it didn't. Great. How do I disable that? I did that before. I might have to get rid of the handle. And gunshotting sound? Yeah, 100%. We're getting to that. Don't worry. How to disable equip. Animation Roblox. Manual activation only property of the tool. That did not work. And the tool is equipped. Oh, that's bullshit, 'cause it didn't work. Oh, okay, never mind. I've got an idea. Let me take the... Yeah, that didn't work. Okay. I need the RBX character animation script. Okay, we'll try this. I'll find out if this actually works though, so just triggered first. Now where is the part where we've got tool none? Is tool none the one that's... Try tool none. I don't want it to fail, so I'll just set the animation ID to 0. Hello, Zeno. It clearly didn't work because it wasn't triggered because it doesn't seem to function properly, this weird ass game.players. But it doesn't fire. Connect function. What have I done wrong? Oh, I forgot an end. Still hasn't triggered, but... Also... If I tween the max camera zoom distance, what happens? In fact, leave that there. What happens if I just manually edit it? Because that way I can just, you know... tween it. That's camera. Yeah, okay, I can tween it. Isn't it the other one? Hold on. Camera maximum distance. There we go. Oh, that's really good. Oh. Okay. Fuck it, we'll use that. Me and sound effects in Roblox don't have a good history, refusing to work some of the time. I'd say this code is relatively well optimized. I'm not sure how any other way I could be doing it other than establishing these already. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the zoom. Okay. I didn't appear to be doing anything. I don't think I applied the tween, did I? No, I didn't. That's not bad. Now, we've got to fix the, oh yeah, the animation. Because this isn't triggering. try that, and if I don't really have any other ideas apart from you putting it on a local in a server script. It's just not working. Let me add a tween back. I think it's cameraman. It does not seem to be working anymore. Why is that? I don't think it's running that one. It can't be running classic and then... Maybe it could be actually. Oh, it is. Oh, I think I know what it is. We need to do... That's max zoom. So what we do is... Quite a stream today, isn't it? Oh, that's considerable. Why has it done that? Oh no, I know. Need that one there. And this is max. And that, yeah, that's max. And then we set this back to 0. Let's go with that. Doesn't appear to be playing any tweens. Oh wait, I know. Oh, okay. Maybe tampering with this is breaking it. Nope. So that resets the camera zoom for the max. Camera tween back plays, and this takes it the minimum zoom out, so it can zoom the camera back out to default camera zoom minimum, which is where it's at by default. Waits until it's completed, and then it goes back to 0. So I don't see what the problem is. We got any suggestions, chat? What is the default number? I'm just going to find it out and hard code it in. Min and zoom distance. Oh, it's 0.5 and 128. It already knows that though. So weird. Maybe minimum zoom distance doesn't work like that. Some people are saying set them to the same number. Okay, try that. There's 2 instances though. I tween both. I'll try something else. Let's copy these. Give that a shot. It's probably not going to work, but no, it's just stuck the camera. I think we're done here. I might give it a go at the end, but I'm not wasting any more time on this. Right, that should get it working, at least for now. Nope, that is stuck. Okay, I'll brute force it to 128 then. It's probably because that's set. Hello, Burger Cheese VR. I'm just debugging at the moment. Oh, that'll do, honestly. It's fine. Okay, right. We're done with the camera for now. Now we need to figure out what we're going to do about... first off, this isn't even playing, this equip sound effect, I just noticed. Yeah, put that in script. Yeah. Put that in there. Yeah, I'll do. And what else we got? Aim down sights. I can tween the camera for that. humanoid FOV or camera FOV. Can't remember. We'll try. I'll create a humanoid. Okay, I'll try camera FOV then. I think it was camera, and I'll just use render stepped or no. A tween will do. Still can't get this to go away. What was I doing? Oh yeah, camera FOV. Yeah, field of view. None of them matter. They're all not worth. What am I doing? Put the number there. That's going to look weird. Let's go in instead. I usually go for in-out, but it's going to look weird on an ADS. What do we measure field of view by then? A number, of course, but more specifically, it is. Let's just test it out. Let's see what we got. So, turn that to 90. Yeah, about what I thought. And what about? Oh shit. What do you mean? What the fuck's it doing? Can I still not undo? Okay, cool. Yeah, diagonal field of view doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, just use regular field of view then, and then I'll tween it. It needs to be zoomed in, so we'll go for like. I think the default was 70. Seems about right. Looks kind of odd now. Try that. Actually, I don't think we need this. I don't think we need a function. Just do it this way. Much easier. Instead of having to use a flag. Okay, we can go with that, I think. We need to lift these connections, actually. Not quite worked how I intended it to, but... What's gone on here, then? No, I know that works. Oh, it's because I've done input began. Because I copied the script, thinking I was so smart. Probably get rid of the bounce tween on that. Probably just use linear. Exponential, there we go. It should still be functioning, I don't know why it's not. It's not picking anything up. Well, yeah, detect player. Christ. Right. So it fires a raycast and doesn't have any issues. But it's not returning anything. Try that. It's just not. Is it because of the range? It must be. I'm going to give this a go again. Yeah, well, it's quite difficult at the moment. I can't tell whether or not Raycast is currently going through the thing and only finding it at that point. I'm just going to go back to what it was originally. Because that's what the Roblox wiki said to do. Yet it's still not. No, I think that was the right idea with unit. So weird. What are you doing? I'm working on a commission for a gun. I'm trying to figure out what raycasts again, because it's been ages since I last worked on raycasts. And doing raycasts is going to be very important to the game rooms, so this is an important thing to get out of the way. You can calculate an unknown directional vector using a known origin and destination. Okay. I'll have a look some more on the forums. Hello, Joseph Finn. You can use an alternative such as cloning primary part, making it visible, sensitive for the primary part. It's why I hate maths. I'm going to try it with some parameters. What was the length I was using before? Range 500, yeah. It doesn't need them though, that's what I don't understand. So confusing. Oh, I know what it's doing. It's not returning a destination. Don't ask me. I don't fucking know why it's not. I'll ask it to print it first then. Or it's not even going to get there in the first place. What the hell? It's fully not even activating. Just a gun is just not activating. Try a different event. It's so weird. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Yeah, okay, fine. Requires handle has to be true in order for activated to function. Because it was gonna tell me that, wasn't it? It was gonna get to that point. Or not? What the fuck? Oh, it was probably manual of activation only. And there we go. That is not returning a value though. That's not apparently not hitting this enemy. I don't understand that. Anyway, let's get a rapid fire system going. Okay, thank you so much for that. Gunfire sound. No. That'll do. What you working on? I'm working on a commission for a gun. And honestly, I needed lots of practice with raycasts, clearly, because I can't seem to put this together without fucking up 20 times. But overall, I'm doing alright. Gunfire. I'm getting closer. Lots of annoying bugs. Fucking weird game. I took the mouse off, so I'm not sure what's gone on there. It's really not that complicated. I think after I get to the point where I can make the majority of scripts with no issue, I'm going to learn VFX as well, and I'm probably going to call it a day there. And after that, I'm going to be hiring people for modelling and sound design. Well, probably not sound design, I don't think. You don't really need sound design, it's just sound effects, just find them online. But modelling and animation, 100%, I'll need people for that. I think I can probably do programming of VFX on my own. But I just suck so much at modelling. It's so difficult. for me personally. So we were having an issue with mouse held is not being set to false. How many times is this running? That went once that entire time. That's because that's in unequipped. That needs to go there and script dot. Yeah, okay, I got it. When I don't make typos, that's for sure. Yeah, there needs to be a bit of a debounce there. Okay, we're not going to bother with the fire rate there. Let's just do 0.25. How long have I been coding on Roblox? About 3 months. But I've been programming for about 6 years as a whole. So picking up Roblox was relatively easy. I can also program a little bit of C# and Python, and I can program a lot of Python as well. But personally, I find Lua the easiest that I've worked with, and to be honest, I'd rather work with Lua over the others. I'm still not sure why it's not picking it up. I'm shooting right in his face and he's not taking any damage. Yeah, okay, so we need a debounce on the click. My hands are so cold. Holy shit. So I started like 3 weeks ago, and like I said, I don't really understand what you're doing there. It's fairly simple. These are animations and sounds. I assume you know how they work. All I'm doing right now is it fires a raycast. If it picks up a object and knows it's a humanoid, it sends it to the server and then damages it. And when the gun's equipped, it activates a connection that allows it so that when you right click, it will zoom the camera in. And then when you let go, it zooms it out. And this also does the same thing. Well, I mean, it disconnects it there. Start on watching the Dead Kings tutorials. Well, I think, honestly, Binkle, there's only so far you can go with working on programming stuff when it comes in general, without actually having done actual programming and algorithms as a whole. You need to understand how you can sort things. You need to work with algorithms. Because there's going to come a point where, like, oh, how do I, for example, let's cut off. Give me a sec. Order in which you're accessing things, for example, and threads. So what I would say is, in terms of actual usability, I would say, like, learn Python first and then learn Roblox afterwards, from someone that's just teaching general Python methods and programming. Right, so that should solve the mass clicking that we were getting. Yeah. And what's gone on there? We're a bit stuck. Theoretically advertise these streams as coding classes where people can ask questions to improve, because I feel like you should have more people in age. Is that... Well, thank you. I'm definitely not like the guru for Roblox programming. I'm still learning myself. But I'm going to become the guru, yeah, 100%. Give me a few more months. But I mean, I can't really realistically charge a huge amount because A, the only people that are going to be doing these types of things are going to be kids, and their parents are going to be paying for them to learn stuff. And B, they could just go and learn online. There's Lure Learning as a game on Roblox for you to go and learn shit. And the majority of what you want to do can be found through tutorials. Given I am 19, so I might be slightly biased, I'm going to be a bit more intelligent than your average 8-year-old and be able to figure things out much, much faster. I mean, it's certainly a thing. I can't just ignore the fact that kids can learn elsewhere. So would it be doable? 100%. Do I have the time to start also teaching kids as well as making my own shit? I don't know. And how do I know that parents are also going to look at my channel and my work and think, you know what I want to do? I want to have my kid learning from that geezer that keeps swearing on his streams. I'm slightly confused because it's got stuck. Activated, fired once and wouldn't fire again. Perhaps I should do this. But you're like 25. Oh, piss off! I'm not that old yet. So that fired once. Right. What is the state of? Hold on. Game dot. Shit. This is the big test. This is. Don't log and play it. Let me just have a look. Oh, I don't know if I can access it. I need to figure out what the state of mouse held is at the moment. I didn't mean charge for this. You could include in the title of the stream that this is coding related and people can learn together with you. I mean, maybe. I think if I were to actually take it seriously, I'd make a Discord server and do it like I do lessons every evening at 4 or 5 for an hour where I teach a fundamental part of Roblox programming. The problem is I suck at teaching, so it does say Roblox development stream. I don't know how that could not be coding related, but So it says it's currently false. If not, click debounce. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why. I put the wrong variable in. How the fuck have I managed that? Hitboxes need some work. I could, speaking of which, I could add a over the top hitbox. In fact, let's try that and see how it reacts. In fact, this is something they'd need to do if they were going to make an FPS. Oh, we can't use this though, because it needs to be compatible with any game. Let me find out, what is it returning? Let's get rid of all these print statements, because it clearly works now. It would be pretty cool to put on my CV that I'm a professional Roblox developer. So when I get a bit better and I start either making my own projects that are really good or working for other people, I'm gonna make a portfolio. Right, that's returning false. It's slightly behind. What's printing false? Right, it won't be that. Wasn't those. No results. Mouse. Ah. Found it. That doesn't even seem to be working. I need to figure that out later. So it's getting something, surely. Very confused. Right, what's that found? Oh, it's clipped the handle. It's clipped the handle of a gun. I didn't think that was possible. Okay. But it's being fired from the fire part. How has that happened? I'll have to look at the gun's model again then. That could be why. Oh, might be it, because it's coming straight out and it's hitting that immediately. Okay, I'll just go through them and figure out which one it is then. Laser sight, yeah. I get rid of that. I think that'll work now. Although it picked up a handle, I'm not sure how, but laser sight was definitely a problem. Still picked up handle. Okay, right. It's picked up handle. What's my position? Is a great question. Let's go to gun, handle. Position. -26 for... How the hell has it gotten that? Is that the same handle? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to summon a part. Alright, thanks man. I think I'm going to create a part where the thingy is found and try and debug it that way. What's the game called? I'm not working on a game right now. I'm working on a commissioned gun. But the game that the overall game that we're working on, Road to the Gamerooms at the moment, is Death Destroying Simulator. I don't understand. Why is it picking up handle? It's so weird. Oh, unless it's picking up... Oh, I know why. Because my hat has a handle in it. So what it's done is it has gone find first child humanoid and failed because the bolt doesn't have a humanoid in it. Oh, great. Is the music too loud or something? No one's complained yet. And I do tell people if the music's too loud, tell me. Figured out the bug. Okay, well, we don't need to do that anymore. Why don't we try this instead? Table.find. Oh, wait, no, we can't do that. Music is super fun. Okay. This isn't a game that I'm doing right now. It's a gun commission I'm doing for a bit of Robux. But really, in all honesty, it's a practice making. What's it called? Practice using Raycasts. Because I had no idea what I was doing, to be honest. And I still don't, really. But I'm getting closer. So it finds a base part, which is a child of the rig. How the hell are we gonna... Because it could be like multiple children. That's the problem. I'm going to ask ChatGPT because it seems a little bit specific, this question. Oh god, I'm so slow. Instance is of a model, and that model contains a humanoid in Roblox. Hello, Math Wizard Gamer. Probably going to do this part recursively, which is another reason why. Yeah. Why is the title called Road to the Gamerooms? Because we have a few games and then we're working on the Gamerooms. So this one is going to be called the Death Destroying Simulator, and I'm going to advertise all the games going forward with a bit more Robux after each one. So this one's Death Destroying Simulator. I don't actually know what the ones are going to be after Death Destroying Simulator, but the final one's the Gamerooms, which is a Gamerooms is a 20 or so player co-op survival experience in the Gamerooms, which is the back rooms effectively. Hello, I like pancakes. How you doing? And Owen Stephanis? I don't know. Do you mean Stephanis? I don't know, fucking kids are weird. I'll be back in one sec, guys. Oh, I thought I'd fucking change the window. Anyway, I'm back. Well, the method that I was going to use didn't work, so ChatGPT hasn't helped. And I expected nothing. What about descendants and ancestors? Oh no, I think we'll do this. Of class. Model. What is the best way to learn programming? There are a load of people online that will throw all sorts of numbers at that. A lot of them will probably want to get you to pay for their course, but I personally learned at school, because we did computer science, but I was programming a little bit before that on like Scratch and stuff like that. The best way to learn nowadays is probably YouTube. For like a kid that just wants to learn normal programming, go on like YouTube and just do like Python basics. Really, you want to learn iteration, so for loops, while loops. You'll want to learn functions. In fact, I'm using that in this. I'm using iterations and functions here. I mean, where is it? That's iteration. This is if statements. Functions are everywhere in here. So those are the real basics. And then, to be honest, there's a lot of stuff in here that's very Roblox specific, like raycasts. That's not a thing in Python, for example, because it's not a necessarily 3D environment. You might get that if you install a 3D environment library, but specifically Roblox, there will be a lot of things, a lot of hurdles you need to get past. I think what we do is we do that. If it can find a model, then What does find first ancestor even do? Oh, I see. So this will, won't it? No, actually, just do this. Return model, done. Try that. Oh, I've got it, I've got it, I've got it. It worked. That's the good thing. Okay, we're all good here now. Finally, that took ages. I think if it goes through with a successful fire, it should... Oh, I'll do. So we're going to want to include a UI for this gun as well. for the amount of ammo that the player has at one point. So let's add that. I think the best way of doing this is to create one in Starter GUI. Go with text label. I'll do something simple. Nope, that's not what I did. No. I'll just go with the standard. Press start to play and then do that. Probably put it down there. Ammo oh cunt probably won't go down very well with Roblox, let's be honest. Let's not do that. Ammo oh cunt. If I put that in there, what does it do? What's good? Hello, El the Mexicano Gaming. Try some of that, see if it works. Should do. Alright, that works. Next. We'll go with white for now. Text stroke doesn't seem to work. I don't understand why. Shit. Okay. I mean, it looks all right for now. Nearly done here, guys. Should be done for 10. At least for the most part. I'm not sure about the animations. But the programming should be almost done. Quite impressed with this, actually. It's been a pretty good attempt. I could be even fancier and add a little text effect to the yeah, and like have it. That could be difficult. It's not really worth it, is it? What's it called again? mo_text. Yeah, that really isn't necessary. I'll just do it this way. No, not like that, please. So first that will go to off, then on, then off. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see how this works then. All good. Apart from this evaluation property, animator evaluation throttle does not currently enable, which I think is a studio bug. Epic game. Well, this isn't a game, it's just a gear I'm making for a commission. And really, it's just a raycasting practice. What can I do from there? We don't have a reload. Let's make a reload function. Hmm. What am I doing? Yeah, reload needs to work there. Hello, Creeper Boy. I'm just working on this commission gun. I just found out they needed to be gold, so I'm just going to change that real quick. But all the scripting will work the same, so... that'll have to do. It looks fine, doesn't it? I don't know what the hell is going on with it. Oh Christ, get rid of that. Just need the model. Don't need any of that. Do you want to hear a joke? Go on then, Creeper Boy. What you got for me? That should work. No more mod for you then. Bye. Removing your mod now. Putting you in timeout. Well, apart from the fucking gun being the wrong way round, it's good. I can fix that. I have a plugin for that. I think it's this one. Yeah, there we go. Shit. There we go. Is that something you're alright with then? No more mod? I should put an egg emoji in there as well. I don't seem to be able to reload anymore. The parts are all... so we get rid of the fire part. Fire part. Can collide and... No, keep them on. Can collide and invisible. what it was. Okay. Creeper boy. Let me just get him real quick. What's his username? Let's find him. Yeah, I was literally about to do that, for fuck's sake. You bastard. What's his username? Oh, how do I find what's his fucking username? Oh my god. Oh, nice one, Roblox. What is your username? Shit. Just search like creeper. Ah, found it. Found the bastard. Oh my, what is going on? Let me select him. Unselectable, this guy. Right, I got him. He appears to be invincible. Am I invincible? Appear to have broken something again. This was a problem earlier if you were in the stream. I thought I fixed it though, but clearly not when moving over to the new gun. Let me get the other gun in and check. Oh, bugger off. Oh, now it works. Yeah, get fucked. Bastard. Look at him. He's dead. He's not even that big. Yeah, look there, he's fucking dead, look. Look at that. Take a screenshot of that and make it one of the... I unloaded so many rounds into him, he couldn't even... You know, I've run out of fucking ammo. Bastard. Right, what were we doing again? I was fixing the reloading. The most intoning thing ever. What are you talking about? How can something be intoning? Ugh. Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't even, like, actually reset the value. How funny would it be if you made that into emoji in my Discord? I'll make you a mod and you can go do it yourself, to be honest. Fucker. Got him. I think I need to up the, what's it called? This is, yeah, AR3. Okay, I just thought I was doing the wrong one there. I think I need to increase the field of view. It zooms in by... how do I do that? I do it by doing this. Turn that to like 35. Try that. Are you in the Discord then? Tell me your username on Discord and I'll add you. I don't seem to be able to reload by default, so let's find out why that is. Same profile pixie. I think I know. It's Creeperboy841. I didn't know I didn't have you added. I'll make you an admin. Yeah. No, I made you an admin. Couldn't tell, this is actually my first time making a relatively alright shooter. Dre110, this is the road to the Gamerooms. This development stream has been dedicated to this, what's it called? Making this gun. Because I needed practice with raycasts, and someone wanted it made, so I'm making it. And they're paying me 15 quid's worth of Robux. But the overall thing is the road to the Gamerooms. Death Destroying Simulator, yeah. Welcome back, Philippers. How you doing? We actually made a lot of progress since you were last here. The gun fires, makes noise, and actually damages properly because we killed Creeper Boy 30 times. Why are we shooting Creeper Boys? Because it's the right thing to do. Fucking prick. What now? We need the animation, 100%. I need to update the UI. Shit. How are you going to make the map? I'm not making a map. I'm not making any maps. I'm making the gun, and then I'm going to end the stream. And next stream is going to be on Death Destroying Simulator. But the map for Death Destroying Simulator is going to be made by a guy that I've got in the development community, or at least the spawn. You can't ban mod as a mod. Yeah, exactly. Creeper Boy was very close to losing his mod earlier, the bastard, which is why I killed him 400 times. I mean, he's not as bad as you cheated, let's be honest. And this doesn't need to be magazine size, does it? Boys, calm down, calm down. Yeah, we missed Philippers. I missed Creeper Boy as well. Missed you all, guys. I forgot to get rid of that screen GUI. I also forgot to turn it off. That would be the right idea. Hello, Shrek. Good to see you again. Get fucked. We got him. Why is that not reloading? It's weird. Do I have a reload sound effect as well? I don't. Child abuse. Are you working on on the gold AR? Yeah, I am. I should ping the server and say that I'm streaming. People would leave and get annoyed, so I don't do that. And I'm trusting you not to do it as well. Can it be one shot? Its default value for damage is 30, but I can change that if you want. $100. That kills him instantly. I'll add a whatchamacallit. Yeah, I've made sure Shrek. I can't believe I'm saying that. I've made sure it can be dragged and dropped into literally almost any game. I'm gonna have to make how many I'm gonna have to make 4 animations, I think. Actually, I think I'm probably gonna get rid of the unequip. I think I'm just gonna have equip and aim down sights. Because it's going to be a fair amount. I need R6 and R15. So, let me just make a function for that. No, let's not do that, actually. I don't know that's necessary. It's one line. Right, what else needs doing before I move on to animation? Let me read what you sent. A one-shot gold AR that shoots 1 bullet every 3 seconds. Okay. Oh, get fucked. Look at that. He thinks he's that guy. This is what I didn't understand. Why would an assault rifle only fire once? Whatever you want, Shrek. When do you want the code for the card? Send it whenever you want. Preferably on Discord, not on Roblox. Do you have my Discord? Shrek. Well, I'll. Oh, never mind. If you have my Discord, send it on there. When you are don't with all the code, can you copy and paste it out to chat? When you are done with... Why? Just send it... No, just send the code to me on Discord. If you have Discord. Or email it to me or something like that. Because if you put it in chat, someone in here is going to be taking it, so... Okay, right. Animation time. Let's get a rig. So we need an R6 and an R15. Not what I wanted. What's your name? Are you in the Backrooms Archive Discord server? Join the Backrooms Archive Discord server. I'm just Marathon Man. Okay, right. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, I would definitely do that. Yeah. I mean, Trek, to be honest, you can... What, like when you try and... I'll just send my Discord. Let me find my Discord. It's my tag. Yeah, I would. They've changed how you find your Discord name since I last did it. So let me find it real quick. Let me try Corey. Goodbye, creeper boy. Alright, I've sent you a friend request, man. Disappears while holding them. Fuck's sake. Right, Corey, I need you to tell me whether or not this gun, at the moment, its animations are up to your standard. At the moment, holds it in. It's holding it in just the right arm. If I go in server, this is what it looks like. So I assume you would want it holding in two hands at the very least. I don't know. Do you want sprinting or? Okay, I'll make it so that the left arm can hold it. And that's the very least I'll do. Which is fairly easy. For fuck's sake, can I just... What have you done, Philippers? Some decent quality memes. You start with Elder Scrolls, and then we've got SCP. God, shot. Oh God. That is some high quality shit. Hmm. I didn't actually test to see if this is a yeah, it does alright, I guess. I could probably speed the animation up if that's a problem. Got an ad for the first time since stream 8. What have you been using? An ad blocker? I'm gonna ignore unequip. I'm just gonna not do it. Yeah, I just forgo that. So we've got the hold. Those are all sounds. These are animations. Okay, right. This is going to be hard. How does Phantom Forces do ADS? Oh, fuck off, Philippus. Yeah, 5 times 5 is 35, yeah. What does math.lerp do? Linear function to interpolate between two values. With that said, you should probably just use tween service. Oh, interesting. Okay. Gamer Challenge is not here today, unfortunately. It is past his bedtime, probably. I'm just looking at forums right now. I'm trying to figure out how I can do an ADS. Complex math shit. Yeah. Yeah, probably not good enough to understand all this bullshit. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, they're tweening it. Oh, God. They're tweening the alpha value and then passing that through a lerp. That's really complex shit. I'm not doing that. Let me just watch this tutorial real quick. Not what I had in mind.
Welcome to part 4.5. It's just this. This location.
Oh, is he making it in Blender? Fuck's sake.
Happy with it. In part 5, we'll actually... I'm going to give it a bit of camera movement. I'm going to click on the fake camera, and as you can see, our camera doesn't follow this, give you the timeline. So we're back in Roblox Studio. We're going to click import animation, and we're going to paste it in. It looks like this in Studio. I think
Shit.
It looks okay, it's not the best. Oh, wow.
Okay, it's pretty clear it's animated and not tweened or lerped. So let's go with this. I just have to be not shit at animating, that's fine. fuck's gone on now? Ah, great. I don't appear to have the ability to change rotate tools anymore. Interesting. How are we going to get... I think I'm going to close the play. Yeah, just save changes. Close and reopen. There we go. Look who it is. It's Gamer Challenge. Speak of the devil and he will appear. Hello, Gamer Challenge. I'm just working on this gun at the moment. What are we doing? Working on a gun. Just doing the animation now. The scripting is pretty much finished. If I can zoom out, that'd be nice. There we go. Daily, yeah, 100%. Yeah, all that. Give up on the obby. The obby's done. It was done ages ago. Go play it if you want. That looks like right shit. Okay. What if the Mandem? What Mandem? What fucking Mandem are you talking about? Is it your Mandem, your little group of 4-year-olds? Fucking hell. Can you reverse animations is a good question. Oh, negative number. Okay, fine. I think I'm probably going to call the stream there. I'll need like a 10-minute break so I can get a snack, and then I'll continue working on this until it's done so the guy actually gets his product. Yeah, my man and them that play anime. Yeah. Those words don't go together in the same sentence. They would one for... Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, Gamer Challenges. We missed you a lot, Gamer Challenge. We thought it would be past your bedtime by now. You're here? Well, I'm afraid it's the end of the stream now, Philippers. We've been going for a while now, actually. 3.5 hours. I have some things to do before tomorrow. So, any last words of wisdom for me, Gamer Challenge and Philippers? Alright, see you guys in a bit then. Thank you for coming out. We'll be back on Wednesday. Wednesday we will be working straight on the Death Destroying Simulator, and hopefully I'll have a lot of progress for you guys. Alright. In a bit.